Hello friends, this is Shushmita and you are watching my study hacks 51. So, we are on Python code and till now we get knowledge of how to write Python code for accepting variables and perform different types of calculations. Now, today I am going to show you how to compare variables or how to write a condition. So for this first we have to know the parts of a condition. A condition contains three parts: operand 1, relational operator and operand 2. Now we can write condition like this: A is greater than B. A is operand 1, B is operand 2 and the symbol greater than is relational operator. Now we should write, but this is not enough. For comparing variables in Python, we should write proper set of commands also, and commands is and for this the command is if else. If else command is used to compare two or more variables. The format or syntax is like if condition statement else condition else statement. For example, A is greater than B colon. So let's try this code in Python. For this, open Python and the question is input two numbers and find the greater one. For this, first I take A for first number. A equals to int input message, enter a variable, enter a number. And B as second, so B equals to int input enter a number. Now as we can see the code, in this code we got two values A and B. Now we have to compare these two values. For this we can write if A is greater than B. Remember the format. Now print print B. Now we are going to save this command and then run the module. It's prompted for first command, first number and second number, and then it display the greater one. So that's it for today. Hope you understand the code, and if you like my channel, do like, share and subscribe my channel.